Everybody does it. And because everybody else does it, we feel like we should do it as well. But I'm here to tell you right now, don't do it. Don't do it ever again. And that's this. Do not send your resume to someone who did not ask for it. If they didn't ask for your resume, they don't want to see it. And there's this whole thing that goes on in people's heads when you send them a resume. First of all, they don't want to scroll through all that and try to decipher what it means to them. And some resumes are even longer than mine, and that's just a template. I don't use resumes. Listen to those words. I don't use resumes. So number one is that they don't have the time or the energy, the mental energy to dig through your resume to be able to help you. And by the way, that's the only reason you're reaching out to these people, is that you want help. So number one, stop sending your resume because it doesn't help you. Unless the person asks for it. And hopefully they're asking for it because they have a position or they know a position that's very relevant to who you are and what you do and what you want to do. Now, instead of sending your resume, what you should do is give them information that can help them help you. Listen to those words. Give them information that can help them help you. And so here's what I recommend. Here's an idea that I recommend. It's called a networking profile. And this is just a template, a networking profile. And what a networking profile is it tells the user who you are, what you do, what you want to do, maybe what you enjoy doing, who you are, what you do, what you want to do, and what you enjoy doing. And hopefully that statement, which is made up of these 3 lines, is cohesive. It makes sense. Then what you could say is I have this kind of expertise. Just list the big words, list the big phrases, list the big keywords. And then you could say, this is what I'm trying to achieve. I'm trying to achieve a role in this type of company doing this kind of work where I create this kind of value. Very simple, nothing big and wordy. Nobody wants to read big and wordy. Simple, to the point. Then you could list some target positions. Maybe it's director of IT. Maybe it's VP of IT. Maybe it's CTO. Maybe it's director of software engineering or director of networking and network engineering, whatever the words are. You can put that, just list them in very simple listing. Then, again, you could list maybe some characteristics of the type of company or organization you want to work for. Maybe you want to work for a global organization or a regional organization. Maybe you want to work for a private organization or a public organization, or Fortune 50, Fortune 10. Maybe you want to work for an organization that is focused on technological innovation. Put some characteristics of the company. And then maybe you might want to list some industries. Maybe you want to stay in manufacturing. Maybe you want to be in distribution. Maybe you're interested in healthcare, or maybe you're interested in pharmaceutical. List some target industries. And then you can list some geographical location. Maybe you could list, if you want to, remote, hybrid, whatever the words are, on-site, et cetera, et cetera. This is a networking profile. The purpose of a networking profile is for you to tell individuals whom you want to have a conversation with what you're looking for, what you're interested in, the type of companies, the type of roles, the type of industries, et cetera, et cetera. I personally, and so do many others who have experienced getting a networking profile, I much rather see this, because this tells me what you are looking for more so than your resume, which sometimes I refer to this as your ongoing obituary. This tells me what you used to do. This tells me where you want to go. It may be highly relevant to where you came from, but it's much more advantageous for you to hand out your networking profile to people who could help you, because you're trying to help them help you. So get a networking profile. Ask me for the template. I'll send you my simple little template. Or maybe you just create your own, as long as it tells the user who you are, what you do, maybe some areas of your expertise, your objectives and your goal in this career transition, types of positions, types of organizations, types of industries, geographical information, et cetera, et cetera. Give them information, again, that can help them help you. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about teaching people more tactical, purposeful ways of networking, and I hope this is helpful for you.